Hey guys, subscribe for daily content. And if you're shopping for gear, make sure you check out the description for the newest items at some of the very best online retailers. There's also links for some of the items that I personally recommend. Thanks! What's going on YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing video to share with you guys. I have absolutely no idea what is in this package. No idea. We're going to find out soon enough though. As per usual, if it's something I can link, I will link it right down below in the description. It does help my channel when you use those links, but that's entirely up to you. Thanks so much to my patrons for supporting me, and please make sure to follow me on Instagram at metal_complex. Okay, what do we got here? I think it's just one. Oh, well, it's some sort of Christmas gift. I'm trying. So, because of the schedule, you're likely seeing this well after Christmas. But I thought that I had received all of the stuff, you know, that was being sent to me for Christmas already, but apparently not. Now this just adds to the mystery of it. This is well wrapped. Sincerely, I'm jealous of the wrapping skills here. I mean, it's really nice. I cannot do this. God, it's almost a shame to tear the paper, right? Oh, it's a Civivi? A Christmas Civivi? Oh, I'm genuinely intrigued. Okay. Well, okay, here we go. Where we go. Let's open this up. Oh man. So nice. Oh, that was genuinely nice. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much, we and Civivi. That's so kind. So what do we have here? What is going on with this? Okay. Well, we have a button lock Civivi, and what's really interesting about this is it has red liners. I mean, it's obviously a... Oh, look, they put my logo on it. Oh, man, that's really cool. Thank you. That is awesome. Okay, so we have a Civivi with, I guess it's white G10. And then we have red, like, painted liners, which I gotta admit, looks really cool. Now, what is going on with the rest of this? Okay, so this unscrews and this... Okay, this is a pen. Oh! I was like, what? What is this? They're pen refills. I could not figure it out. Let me tell you something. This is like a keychain pen, and I had one. I can't tell you how perfect this is. I had a keychain pen that I used all the time, and it seems like a crazy thing to have hanging off of your keys, but I used it constantly because I was always needing to sign something or write something, and I was always digging. I feel like I have like 40 pens in my truck that are all gone. I have no idea where they go or what they do. Right? Probably the same place all my socks go. I have no idea. But having one attached to my keychain was so handy. Now, the problem with it was it detached with just force, right? Now, it took quite a bit of force, and it took me, I think, a little over a year to lose it. But one day I looked down, and the bottom half of the pen was detached, and I was like, oh, crap, right? So I've not had one on there, but I'm going to attach this one, and it's because it screws in. That's really ideal. I'm actually going to give this a shot real quick. Just write something. Ah, yes. Wonderful. It clearly works. It clearly writes. Yeah, that's so cool. I wonder if these are like universal replacements. I mean, it'll take me a long time to go through this. I mean, the only time that I'm really having to use it is if I'm needing to sign a check like right then and there in the moment. But this is legitimately perfect. And it's super lightweight. Let's go ahead and weigh it. The pen, right? You guys probably know what this Civivi weighs. All right. It doesn't even... can you hold still there, big guy? Can you hold still there, big guy? Hold still there. Half an ounce. A little less than half an ounce. Okay, that's negligible. That's nothing. This is super cool. I'm going to keep the box. I'm going to keep the knife because it's just interesting. I've never seen a Civivi like this. Does this mean you guys are going to start painting the liners and doing like special runs of these? Because that's really cool. I mean, if you are, that adds another layer of customization or another, layer of like personalization that we can add to these knives, right? Which, I mean, the Elementum is pretty popular. having painted liners can really add some interesting contrast. Honestly, I never thought that I would like something like white G10 on top of red liners, but I gotta admit, it looks pretty cool. Thank you. That was really nice. Thank you. There's really nothing else to show here. Thank you so much to We and Civivi. Really cool. Whoops. Really cool. I'll link if there's any additional information on something special they're doing now with the Elementum or whatever. I'll link it down below. That's going to be pretty much it today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Please make sure to follow me. I'll just use the old card on Instagram at metal_complex. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do, of course, have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, go ahead and click on that Metal Complex logo right there and subscribe because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.